In this video, we're going to show you the basic components of a sewing machine and what they are used for. While every make and model of sewing machine is slightly different, they all have the same standard features. In this case for this machine, the power button is on the side. If I switch the power on, you'll see that a light comes on here. The digital display also shows up. This tells me the type of stitch I'm doing according to this guide, the width of the stitch, and the length of the stitch. All of these are able to be controlled with these buttons here. Also on the side is the plug-in for the foot pedal. It works like a gas pedal in a car. The harder you press the foot pedal, the faster the machine goes. This will always be on the floor. Also on the side here is the hand wheel. This you would always turn toward you, and we'll show you what that's for in a minute. Up on the top is the spool for your thread. There's also the bobbin winding spool. The thread follows the arrows, this pattern here. This dial here controls the tension of the bobbin and bobbin thread. This right here is a reverse stitch button. If you want to lock the stitch, you use that button. Up close in the machine here, you'll see several components. The first is the needle itself. The thread of the needle fits at the very bottom right here. The next piece, you'll see a lever here. If I put that down, this piece comes down. This is called the presser foot, and it keeps pressure between the needle plate and the foot so that you can sew the fabric. This is the needle plate. There are measurements to help you maintain seam length. You also have these tooth figures right here. This is called the feed dog. The feed dog helps pull the fabric through. It moves in time with the needle. So the faster you sew, the faster the feed dog moves, and you only have to worry about keeping the fabric straight. Underneath the machine is where the bobbin fits. If I open up the bobbin case, I can pull this out. The bobbin thread fits into this case right here. You can see that there is an arm on the top here. It fits in with a notch on top of the machine. Push it in, it clicks, and you can see that the bobbin is secure. When you sew, I'm going to put that down, turn the light on. If I turn the hand wheel I showed you, you can see that the needle goes down, comes back up as the bobbin turns. This creates the timing so that you can sew. As you press the foot pedal, all of this happens automatically as fast as you are pressing the pedal.